Come here, baby boy.
I got lotion.
Oh, I love you, Trevor.
Oh, I ain't Trevor.
Wait. Come here.
You been cheating on me? You been cheating on me? You been cheating on me? Whoa, Jace, back up, bro. Back up, bro.
Tell me things I want to hear.
What's up, Conglomerate Masters?
Hey, Jace.
Hello, Kyle.
Hey, hello, camera.
Yeah, say hello, camera, before I put it on.
Mark, take off your...
Whoa. Yeah. What up? Wow, no reaction. I'm glad he told me to cover my ears.
That was way louder than that.
Three times. Football. I think it's time for Trevor to do something.
Concrete beat? We all know it. Look, we got the perfect lineup. I kind of forgot.
Bro!
I thought I was gonna crash and burn. Street beat. Twice.
You're not calling stuff, Reese. Stop, bro.
I'm telling you to do it.
Frick, guys. You good? Okay. What's the streetboard again? What's it?
Ask him.
Oh, okay. Okay, ready? Ready? Drop a stick.
I'm gonna drop a stick. I need the grippy one. I like this close to dropping it. Move around, yeah. We all know Adorable, right? Yeah, I do.
No. Kelly,
Oh,
we can't do it.
dude, it's such a good song, bro.
Oh, Charles could just go right there. It would be so perfect.
Concrete, guys. concrete. Yeah. No, we're leaving. We have one more? Oh, we can't go?
We're done.
Are we switching?
A little bit more. There's the yacht club right here.
Switching drums.
Your Grand Marshals, the CDM drum line. The CDM drum line is composed of 7th through 12th graders at Corona Del Mar High School. Please give them a round of applause for your CDM drum line and Merry Christmas.
I've been trying to stop for like.
Oh, we only only switching once?
No, we're switching multiple times.
That was longer than 20 minutes.
Oh, check.
Wait.
Hey guys, once you're in your blazer, go back down.
Oh, that's your carrier. I'm done.
No. Hey, Trevor. Oh. Grab that.
Let's go. First shift done. All right. Oh wait, yeah, my carrier. I need my carrier. My carrier back. Oh, are you ready to go?
Oh no, these are what?
Are you ready to go? Yeah. All right, yeah, that's yours.
Did you guys waited?
Did you get your sticks? Because those are the only sticks I got. And
These will do.
Oh. Yeah, I don't care.
all right, you'll be fine. Or you can use.
I got one extra.
You can use one, yeah. All right, say goodbye. Bye, bye, Jack. Bye, bye. Wait. See you guys.
Yes. Merry Christmas from your Grand Marshals, the CDM Drumline. Give them a round of applause. Merry Christmas from your Grand Marshals, the CDM Drumline.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. This boat is insane. Guys, Gilby is a little bit sick, but we will still get you a Gilby gift.
Hey everyone, this is a friendly reminder. If you're sick, don't go places. Wash your hands. Cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze. And above all, get some rest and stop wasting your time with YouTube videos on your GoPro.
Oh. Sounds very Sigma. I'm on tenor, baby. Let's go. Kyle's on this. Yeah, no pecking unless you actually can. Unless you actually can play. Uh-huh. Old school, old school. I don't know. Old school. Clack, clack, clack.